But Beck, I gave you Skittles.
Hi guys, it's the girl.
Nope, it's not.
Going over here. And today we will be playing some Master Builders.
Hi guys, it's also the Big A. Oh, yeah. Hi guys, Big A2. And today we're the Code and today we are going to. Oh, wait. Oh.
We'll be playing the
Master.
Master Builders.
Hey guys, we just started a video. I missed the Gold Nugget. Today we're going to be playing some Master Builders. If you watch, I did make one and
I do have a channel if you want to check it out. I have the most coolest video in the universe.
Yeah, it'll be in the description below. If you want to check out his channel. Last time I made a really bad snake and I won and it was so dopey and I was like, wait, what? And I was like so surprised and I was so happy at the same time.
This is looking cool. Actually, mine is not looking cool at all.
Mine is looking terrible. It's a garden snake, but it's the ugly one too. Okay.
Mine's not even a snake yet.
Mine, not me. I'm already done. I'm almost done already. Okay. Let me just.
If you're wondering what I'm making, then I'm making something that I'm making.
You'll see mine later because I'm making one that's really terrible. Ta-da! It's a worm! Woo! I made a worm. I'm putting a top hat on it. I'm making a worm with a top hat. Last time I won by making a super dopey one, so I'm gonna do that again. Wait, no, never mind. That's making beautiful.
Mine's looking beautiful though. Than you have ever seen a snake be before.
Here. I need some.
Besides, we are in the same room. Recording.
You didn't need to tell them that. He is from California and I am from Texas. We are talking from a voice actor.
No, we're not.
I know. I just wanted to make the video look interesting.
The video is interesting.
Yeah, we're making a beautiful snake that's super dopey, especially mine. Dopey snake, it's gonna win. Not this time. Dopey snake, it's stupid and it's awesome. Dopey snake.
How can something be stupid and awesome?
At the same time. It's because, look, if you saw its face, you'll be like, oh my gosh, that's gonna lose. But it went. I'm making the same one I made last time and it won. So
Weird.
Yeah, I know what.
This looks long enough.
This looks fat enough. I made a beautiful fat snake. And there we go, a beautiful fat snake that lives in the forest. Well, at least I'm gonna make it try to make it in the forest. Okay. Oh, oops. Never mind. Okay. We need some oak wood. So it looks like no.
This is looking epic.
It's a beautiful day for the beautiful snake. Her name is Snaky Paw. There's only 2 minutes left, you know that, right?
Yeah.
That was interesting.
My snake looks epic.
I'm just putting grass.
Let me see what I can add to it.
Mine is definitely gonna lose. Even though I made this last time and it won. Like last time I made the stupid one and it was like very bad and I won. And I was like so surprised and I was even amending it. Okay, get your top hat on, dude. Top hat. No, you need a top hat. Mine's gonna have a beautiful
You need
top
some
hat.
love hearts.
Mine is I don't know.
Everybody loves love hearts. What will make them happier?
Okay. They always need top hats. I'm pretty sure this is what top hats his arm look like? Just like a little black tablet. I'm not in the snake world. I'm not a snake. Secretly. My name is not Snaky Paws. It's no snake. Why would my name be Snake? You make no sense. Big H. I know. I like it like that. No, my top hat. Complete. Sneaky. Terrible, guys. If you saw, what this? Okay, this is okay. Because you can see by the top. It's like.
I'm just gonna turn my. Wait, why isn't my sound up? Beautiful.
Yay,
bravo.
Beautiful.
What the heck?
What the? If you guys don't see what's going on here, look at this.
This is the weirdest thing in the universe, I gotta say.
I'm trying to be as rude as I can, guys. I wish there was more than my eyes are bleeding. Oh my god. What the?
This is mine.
It's okay. Okay. It's pretty good. It's okay. Wait, what?
Don't look.
Don't look into my eyes. Well, I look beautiful, so I don't know why you're saying that.
Oops, I just reported it accidentally.
I accidentally put it's okay. Yeah, this is what I made last time and it won.
Nah.
I know. The hat. Top hat.
My eyes are bleeding.
See, people like the top hat. Snails. My snail is beautiful, so. Oh my gosh.
It's cute but ugly.
It's okay.
He said it's cute but ugly.
It's not ugly. It's so cute, but it's ugly. Oh my god, what? Is this like what? No. I'm so bad.
No one knows how to change the floor.
Yeah, I'm the only one who changed the floor. Me and the gold nugget.
Okay. Wait.
Cute. Let me try. Okay.
Wow. Weird.
It's okay.
Wonder who's gonna win.
I lost. Yay. It's okay. No, smack.
It's like a worm.
I know. Huh? Everybody likes the top hat. I knew it was a good idea to put a top hat in it, but I knew it.
I got an 100.
I got it 4. Yes.
Okay, this will be our final round.
Yeah.
In the next final
Can we
round.
just play paper and then end the video because that's all I have time for?
No, why would we switch the game?
It's been 8 minutes.
So who cares about 8 minutes?
I only have.
No, we're not going to switch the game to paintball. I think the Big H is leaving the video.
Wait, guys. Okay, we only have 6 more minutes. 7 more minutes.
Good, we would have.
Okay, we can play this real quick, but I don't know. Okay, I'll put in a comment who wins because I'm not going to be able to tell because when I'm done, it will just be loading and then it will be done. Because I have time,
fruit.
guys.
Fruit. Wet fruit should be milk.
Milk or make?
Milk.
Oh, I'm trying to make a plate looking thing.
I don't know, but I'm thinking. Oh wait,
Making it beautiful. Beautiful. I
Mm.
say,
Okay. Yeah, this is gonna look beautiful. What was that
I'm messing
sound?
up so badly. Guys, I put in the comments who wins the fruit contest. Because I only have like 5 minutes and there's only 4 minutes remaining.
Or you could just keep watching my video.
Yeah, you could keep watching his video and his channel.
You could keep watching my channel. What do you mean? You can't watch someone's channel and if you sit there every day looking at it. Yeah, this is looking epic.
I'm still on the plate. My plate looks epic. Put in the comments who you like more, mine or mine. I'm pretty sure.
Put in the comments if you like more mine or hers.
Well, they wouldn't see your video, only if they looked on your channel.
Yeah, but they're gonna look at my channel and
Said
people
who?
said them. See? Yay! I'll look on your channel.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, time to get actually to the fruit.
I am on the fruit. I'm almost done with my build.
I'm not even close.
Build.
Okay, so I need a banana.
And a what? And a what? And a what?
Banana. A golden banana. Hopefully you people like gold. I know one person who loves gold. And that means gold nuggets. My banana looks stupid. Put in the comments if you think my banana is stupid. Say hashtag stupid banana. If you hate it, if you think it's bad, but say hashtag it's okay banana if you think it's okay. And put hashtag awesome banana if you think it's cool. But I think no one is gonna put hashtag anything. But I'll see. And I can make it. And almost done. Oh, there we go. Beautiful apple. Nope, not beautiful anymore. Beautiful apple. Beautiful. Nope, not beautiful anymore. Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
This is looking epic.
There, that's okay. You might have some milk with that. I'm gonna end the video soon.
Why would you end the video so stupidly?
I only have Okay guys, you're gonna see me finish this and then you're gonna see me die and fail. For some reason I'm only good on one server that has the game. Oh no, 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 no. You can't do this. I need my grapes. I need my grapes. I need to do that. I need to do that. I need to do this. I need to do this. I need to put the grape in the middle again. I need to do that. Wait, no. Why would you do this to a person like me? The grapes. Stupid man. And finish the grapes. Oh no. Do. And can I do a green apple? No, I can't. No. Oh yes. This is terrible. I'm gonna lose, especially. This is good.
It's okay. I like the idea, but
amazing.
it's only one fruit.
I'm gonna end it here, okay, guys? Because my time's almost up. Okay, we're gonna end it here. Or here, saying, okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching my second video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys stay for next time. And I'll tell you in the comments who won, and hit the video below. Make sure to look at his video. And bye. There we go. I just.
You ended your video, but you know mine's still on.
I know.
I could never end my video.
Okay, guys. Okay, so I just ended my video. If you're looking on his channel, but he hasn't ended his.
Yes, I'm okay. This you should have seen my build, and you did see my build.
Oh my.
It's a smoothie. Come on, it's a
Oh
smoothie.
my god, the gold nugget. Are you serious?
It's a smoothie.
The golden smoothie. I love gold. Like, are you? Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Oh no, my eyes are bleeding. I already know it.